Hey Jennifer and Sarah, it's Greg. I'd be happy to do some kind of screencast video like this, introducing the block schedule. The only issue with that would be that if we were to do that, it probably would make sense for David to do his own. Mine's going to be a little upper school centric. You can notice here, and I hope my cursor's working. There's a setting in the screencast recorder. If you don't see my cursor, I'll just change a setting for the real video. In this fourth period block, this would be an academic period for the upper school, and this is where David would do his middle school athletics and activities. But as you can see, we have a 70-minute blocks. There's 5 minutes extra added to the first period. Students will go directly to first period, no advisory. Again, part of the goal is to reduce the number of interactions and transitions during the day. So we have periods 1, 2, 3 is mixed in with lunch. Whereas it used to just be an off period in the upper school, so you were either eating or in flex. We have a break here for upper school kids in the middle of the day when the upper school kids, when the middle school kids are eating. We go to fourth period, and then we have office hours from 3:15 to 3:30, and then go into athletics. Fourth period is where we'll be scheduling the orchestra, band, chorus, and a couple other classes. Then on a B day, this would be the next day in the rotation, we go to the 6th, 7th, 9th period, and this period 8 are all those like activities, ESL, extended advisory, grade level meetings, health, and stuff like that. And then into athletics. The other important thing, and I can go through some of the rationale in the video, maybe with some PowerPoint slides, is, again, we wanted to reduce the number of transitions, so you're only going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 periods a day. During breaks, students would stay either in their second period class or go to advisory. And then we have a 6-day rotation. But essentially it's a 2-day rotation. The thing that changes is this 8th period, what we do use that time for on each of the different days of the 6-day rotation. Andrea needed 6 days for rotation. Not quite sure why, but we wanted to meet that need for her. So anyway, I'm happy to do a video like this. If you would need me to, explain this to families, and we can go from there. Thanks.